Today we have a special guest from HPL, Mr. Rakesh Juneja, General Manager here at Hannover Messe. When we compare India as well as European nations, we find a lot of differences in certifications. How your products become compatible for European mode?
The products what are we manufacture is as per the standard, which is a payment across globe, and it is Europe also has a IC standards, and all the products which we are displaying here as per the IC standard we tested, and Indian BIS also following the international standard. So whatever the products we are producing will be acceptable through the European market. And whatever the certification, CE certification or RoHS compliance are good, we manage all the things and we try to cope up with the international market and competitors so that our customers who are buying from us have a good quality products and they will not regret once they use it and the better life which we try to achieve for the materials, raw materials which we are using, which is from the international beyond brands and the processes and during the production, during the packing, whatever from basics to the final, everything is planned and it will be maintained properly so that there should not be a complaint to the customer while using our products. That is my question.
There is a distinct difference, the kind of colors they are there. How are you coping up with that design difference between India and US?
Designs are most probably same, but the aesthetics, what you say is right. We have to work a lot of on aesthetic of our products so that we can match the aesthetic which is available in Europe by goddess. And secondly, quality-wise, we are okay. So most of the products which we are manufacturing goes inside the panel. So people are not much about the aesthetic of the particular component or the product, but they are more on the relevant on that the product should be work smoothly and provide the satisfactory operations during that particular life, whatever it is maintained for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and whatever the time it should black out, and it will give proper protection to the system and the circuit. That is a mandatory for us. But as the what European studies are far better than Indian products, but Indian people are working on that thing, and it's not time that they will also come up with that particular requirement of the customer, whatever the key rating wants for.
It's really easier to sell Indian products in European markets.
Yeah, it's a really proud for us that our Prime Minister has worked hard to get this EU signed with the European Union. We are open for the 27 countries in one go. Hopefully, this agreement will be implemented by February or March of this 27th. After that, we will be able to sell our Indian products. And it's very proud for Indian that we are selling our product to Europe. And once a time when people are preferring European products for Indian market, but now I can say vice versa. Being manufactured in India, we are selling to European customers, and we are proudful to that, and we are maintaining and retaining the quality and product specifications, which is also suitable to European Union.
And how are you preparing to capture this opportunity? Like 2029 is just 1 year ahead. And what kind of strategy you have in place to explore these market potential?
We are targeting the specific markets, specific countries where the switchgear products are more acceptable. Because one thing, the European vis-a-vis India has a better point on the price figure. Because in our country, labor is a cheaper events, and we are what do you call this genuine to get this thing done. And we have, being an Indian, I should say that we have the power of thinking and the knowledge to achieve whatever the goal we fix up for us, we can achieve in some particular time. So 2 years are very much a big time for we can achieve in a very small time, and we will be equivalent to the European profession.
So we can expect you to invest more for the sales networks as well.
Yeah, we are working on the quality and aesthetics of our products, and that is what we do our production team and R&D team. But as a sales team, as a marketing business development, we are working on the markets analysis, and we are searching for the products which can place at which place in the market, so that the product should be placed at the right market at the right price, so that we can get out of this best choice our company as well as beyond. So we both want to run a win-win situation for Indian company.
Did you finalize any location, any city in Europe? set up your sales office?
No, presently we are not, but if the business grown up, surely we will find out setup in the sales office in Europe. But presently we are thinking we could take it from Delhi only, and from there we will maintain a logistic and so that our product will be available to the customer on time.
Talking about the power equipments, another trend what is like is latest innovations like in intelligent equipments like bringing AI or intelligence infused as one of the feature for these products. How do you look at it? How are you planning to adopt this technology?
That's really true. The next world is for the AI. We have to put our products on the same field so that it can be acceptable to the market, and it will also communicate the system. So most of the products we are tying up so that they have communication skills and they can read the data and communicate with the server so that the CAFA system and the SCADA systems are there to communicate the things or situate the product and give a correct voltage and waveform so that the system will give you proper indication wherever the fault is here, what is the fault level, what is the basics natures are required. So we are coming up with our circuit breakers are microprocessor based systems, and our meters have already had a communication with GSM network. So we are working on with the Airtel and other telecom manufacturers. So we are already in India. Out of we are 8 smart cities we are installed with our smart lighting. So we are on the way. Very soon we come up with many of the products we come with the communication skills.
What kind of partnerships you are looking other than distribution channel networks? Partnership with OEMs, partnership with similar industries in Europe.
So our application is whatever the products we are manufacturing, we can brand in their branding with the specification of quality what they are wanting. So if some deviations are required by product basket, so we are very open to that. This is a message I want to give to European unions and European and if you want any word which we want to develop from India, because we are a very good R&D team, very good skills, we can develop anything for you, whatever requirement which is absent in your basket, we are there to fulfill that requirement. If something is there available in our stock, we can immediately able to do that things.
What kind of learning you got out of reaching out this opportunity?
The things are changing very exponentially, and the things which are required 10 years back. But now the technology and the AI has been come out very well, and we have to upgrade our skills also to be. If we want to come up with this particular technology, particular team, we have to be come up with skills. So it's not like that the old days schools you do and the study circuits and all that. No, we have to use AI systems, software, many implemented things are available in the market, which people are coming to us, sharing us, we are specialized in this, we are specialized in that. So we have to use that AI tools and develop our products according to the new market requirements and whatever the new generation is asking from us. So we have to upgrade the skills and our products.